In a recently recorded video in Gutu, a significant political statement was made by President Mnangagwa that has ignited widespread discussion amongst the growing speculation about his successor. President Mnangagwa unequivocally declared that Chiwenga is said to be his successor, countering the prevailing rumors that Muchongwa was in line for the position. This unexpected revelation has sparked intense debate and raised questions about the future political landscape in Zimbabwe.
Vice President of Zimbabwe, Thank you very much. Vice President,